Alright, guys, here we go again. Buckshot roulette. As I said, we'd be doing this for the next thing. Well, sorry, guys. You're a bit tired today, is all. Anyways, let's just jump into it. I'm gonna warm up on. Do we warm up or do we just go straight into it? Nah, we're going straight into it. Today's goal is to try and beat at least the first stages until double everything. I'm tired. Alright, let's do this though. And this time we're not gonna have the idiot with us today. Just running this solo. Alright, 2 live, 2 blank. Let's do this. Alright, I'm shooting in the face now. Third shell's blank. That means after this shell is live. Yeah, just do it. Alright, get it over with. That was bound to happen either way. I didn't have anything that could stop that. But I do have a heal. Oh, that is beautiful. 1 live, 2 blank. So first off, we're going to use this. Live, 2 blank. Taking a 6. Alright, let's end this. Wow. Let's move on to the next round. Honestly, I didn't even have to use the cigarettes. I could have just done this without it. Oh god, I hate mornings. This one's got me so tired. Alright. He's dead. Ugh. Alright, let's do this. 1 live, 1 blank. Oh, ain't this nice. Second shell. This first shell's live. He doesn't have anything that can really do anything against this. So just shoot him. He can take his pills, but runs the risk of killing him. If I get a magnifying glass in a device, it's over for him. One live, two blank. Oh, it's over. It's over. Give me that phone. Because if we take this phone, we can figure out. It gives us better odds of figuring this out. Third shell live round. So I just shoot myself both times. And he's dead. He's got one thing left. Even though he has heals, he can't use them because of the handcuffs. I didn't even have to use the handcuffs. Alright, let's move on to third round. Are we about to do this first shot? Let's see. 3 items. Alright, 3 live, 4 blank. We got the same setup. 3 live, 4 blank. Please be a live round. Please. Fuck. Still 3 live. There's 2 blanks in there. Oh, come on. Watch it be a blank. I know it's not going to be. Yeah. That would have been funny, though. Don't fail me now, come on. Alright, there we go. Oh, this one's gotta be a live round, right? Yeah. I'm betting the next one's blank. This could really go bad for him if he doesn't get this. Alright. Oh, come on! That's stupid. Yeah, I'm gonna shoot you. I know it's blank. But still, I'm gonna shoot you. Nah. Damn it. Alright, alright, alright. That's good, that's good. I got my health back. Alright. 3 live, 3 blank. Alright, we can do this. Come on. We can do this. Live. 3 blank. Second shell live round. Alright, 2 lives, 2 blanks. And he loses thing here. Alright. Come on, we can do this. We can do this. Please don't be alive, round. Please don't be alive. Oh, come on. Ah, damn it. One live, 2 blanks. All right. 50-50. Bullshit, bro. That's bullshit. Fuck you. Man, I'm really not liking this right now. Work with this. 2 live, 2 blank. Taking his handcuffs. Automatically taking his handcuffs. Not giving him that chance. Sweet. All right. 1 live, 1 blank. What I could do here is I could either taking his heels. Alright, I expect that. He can shoot me now. That is stupid. Every other time I do this, he always ends up getting the other half. He always ends up losing it. That's stupid. Come on, give me what I need to kill him. Alright, 3 live, 3 blank. Two live, 1 blank. Fuck you. Alright, come on. Give me what I need. Alright, 4 live, 4 blank. And this is it. 4 live, 4 blank. I'm not going down without a fight, though. Come on. Come on, please. I hate my intuition. Two live, 3 blank. 2 live, 2 blank. 50-50 chance here. Come on. Give me the odds. I hate this game with a passion. I'll just kill myself. Please. I'm dead. I'm dead. I'm fucking dead every time. They always put the blanks back to back. That is stupid. Every time I do this, they always put the blanks back to back and never the lives. Bro, that is stupid. We were so close to. Four live, 4 blank off the bat. Damn. Alright, 4 live, 3 blank. Just shoot him both times. Usually my intuition would tell me to shoot myself. But I'm praying to God it's a back-to-back shell. The one time it's a back-to-back shell. Alright, that's a good start. Now we need to keep this going. Alright, blank, live, live, blank, blank. I'm gonna test something. I was wrong. Okay. Oh wait, he's gonna kill me here. He's gonna kill me. I just screwed myself. Oh, I'm such an idiot. Oh no. I screwed myself over so bad because I tested something. Such a fucking idiot. I do wish you wouldn't have to type in the name every time though. It's kind of annoying. Come on. Let's do this. Alright. Okay, we can work with this. Alright, 4 live, 4 blank. Yeah, we can work with this. Tie him up. Alright. We got... Please work. Fuck! I shouldn't have messed with it. It's gonna take my 6. Shoot me. Don't tell me I'm already screwed. Yup. Thank God he's an idiot. 1 live left. If this isn't a blank, it's over. Thank God. Alright. Next round. You can do this. You need to keep a cool head. Play it smart. One live, 1 blank. Or 1 live, 2 blanks. I ain't taking no chances this time. $50-50. Can you pull it off, motherfucker? Oh wait, he's got a phone. Go on, do it. I don't care. Give me a magnifying glass and a knife, please. Not what I asked for, but alright. Alright, 2 live, 3 blank. third shell's blank. So whatever after this shell is a blank shell. Two blanks, one live. One blank, one live. Alright. Pray to God this is a live shell. Every time. They just have to put it as a back-to-back. Please, don't do it. No, come on. Thank you. Oh my God. Thank you. I just need a magnifying glass and a device. All I need. Got one, and we got both. We got both. It doesn't matter now. You're dead. I didn't even need the device. I just needed the magnifying glass. Because either way, if it was a blank, I could have turned it into a live with the device. For those of you who don't know, that device that I got for the second item will change a blank shell into a live shell and will change a live shell into a blank shell. Alright, let's do this. 2 lives. 3 live, 4 blank. Now, I'm gonna take a chance here. Please be a blank. Let's go. Let's go! For once, my intuition pays off. Yeah, we have to go double or nothing. Alright, 3 live, 4 blank. Alright, 3 live, 3 blank. Live, 3 blank. Two live, 2 blank. Damn it. 2 live, 1 blank. It's gonna be live. That means the rest of the shells are live, you idiot. There's nothing but live shells in there now. He takes out 2 of my lives, I take out 1 of his. We're gonna be even after this. Alright, there we go. Bolt down to 3. Not the most ideal. Alright, 3 live, 3 blank. Live, 2 blank. Three live, 1 blank. Ain't that just great? God damn it. The next shell's live. And of course he's gonna use his fucking handcuffs. It's so fucking annoying. Yep, see. Oh, fuck you. He's still gonna take out another life. Alright, 3 live, 4 blank. Alright, now we win this round. We win this round. I've got a knife. The 3rd shell's live round. Thank God for a back-to-back shell. I'm not dying that easy, you motherfucker. Alright, 2 live, 3 blank. We can do this. Heh. 1 blank left. Shit. But that's alright. That's alright. It's alright, we still got meds. We're cool. We're set. Please be a 50-50. Ah, damn it. 2 live, 3 blank. Ha! Alright, come on guys, we can do this. We are on the last round. I didn't expect it to be going this good. But we can't lose our focus now. We're on the last round. It can still mess up here. We're set. We are set. Please let this be a live round. Please let the first shell be a live round. It's not, but it doesn't matter. We can still at least take off 1 of his health. God, this is the second shell that's live. We can end this right here. Let's go! Yes! Buckshot roulette, double or nothing, completed. No, we're walking away. We're walking away with this. Finally, my luck paid off. Double your earnings and double or nothing and win. Alright, rounds beat, 6 shells ejected, 39 doors kicked, 2 cigarettes smoked, 4, and milliliters of beer drank, 660. That's right, 3rd time was the charm, boys. We did it. We beat Buckshot Roulette double or nothing on the 3rd try. I guess they're right. 3rd try is always the charm. Anyways, guys, I hope you really enjoyed this. This was Buckshot Roulette double or nothing today. If you guys want to see more of this, let me know. And next time, we'll try and see how far we can go. We will keep doing double or nothing, keep on going. Like, it just keeps going until we die. Who knows? Maybe we might walk away with hundreds of thousands of dollars, or nothing. But that's if you guys want to see more of this. Anyways, yeah. So I hope you guys have a fantastic day. This was certainly something to wake myself up. And yeah, if you guys want to see more content like this, make sure to hit the subscribe button and like the video. Also turn on the bell for daily notifications. Okay, maybe not daily, but when new videos come out, I'm going to try and stay consistent. But yeah, if you guys want to see more stuff like this, you know what to do. All right, have a great day, all.